everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. Baby and Charlie are off somewhere. I have a diamond painting unboxing for you. Well, someone asked me how I choose my diamond paintings, and it kind of made me laugh because, you know, I use the image of the diamond paintings on my YouTube channel as the thumbnails, and I really at this point every time I look at it I think, will that look pretty on my YouTube page? I'm all about making my YouTube page look pretty. It's kind of a funny method, but I put a lot of thought into which ones I buy and how they look and how the colors are. And okay, it's a nice toolkit. It's a white boat with a funnel, big chunk of wax, and magically puppies appear. Let's see. There's Baby. Sorry, my phone died and I had to cut this together a little bit, so I figured I'd grab the dogs. Charlie's behind me, but you know, Daddy's about to get home, so they are very excited. I don't know how they know what time it is, but dogs definitely know. These two are on edge, ready to run out the door. There you go. There we go. So this one came with a nice toolkit. It's got tweezers. It's got the clear pen that's kind of sparkly with the squishy grip. It has a single tip and a 3-tip. A white boat with a funnel and pink wax. That seems like the kit Huacan gives you, doesn't it? The drills, oh, this is a special drill. Look, they're rhinestones, real rhinestones. This is a Huacan, because I know I remember I ordered a special drill from them. If you can hear Charlie's crying. He gets so excited when my husband gets home, because that means he goes out for a walk. Plus, I put his harness on him, so he knows he's going outside. Charlie has been told he has to have his harness on every time now if he goes outside. Oh, it's an owl. Pretty. Special drill owl from Huacan. And it has the clear plastic on it. It has 15 colors, and they're all rhinestones. This canvas is awesome. It's super sparkly. I don't know if you can see the sparkle. Let me show it. It's got little tiny sparkles in it. And the canvas print is so beautiful and colorful. And then the rhinestones go on like, they highlight the picture. Charge it. So this will be fun. It's all special drill. So they go on like in lines of sparkly crystals. Very pretty. They rim the eyes and the feathers. Oh, that's gonna be fun. This is the only special drill I bought, I think, during this sale, this last sale. Wow, it has all different shapes too. It has like these big teardrop shaped crystals. Really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit flat so that it straightens out. And you have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care. Happy diamond painting. Bye-bye. Charlie. No, he doesn't even look anymore.